Namaste, all the beautiful, beautiful souls. I, Rupa Khanal, your medium for tarot guidance, welcomes all the beautiful souls on my YouTube channel, White Tara Tarot Reading. Dear beautiful souls, as you have been expecting for the tarot predictions for the month of December 2020, so we are here with the general predictions starting from Aries to Pisces, covering all the zodiac signs video by video. So before we proceed into the predictions, beautiful souls, as we all know, December is month full of festive vibes and energies. So I wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. Definitely, we will be back again to wish you on the same day, but to start with, wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, beautiful souls. So without ado, let's get started with your zodiac sign. Beautiful Sagittarius ascendants, redirecting their life all the time to the right path with the blessings of Archangel Raguel. Let us see what the month of December has stored for the beautiful Sagittarians, zodiac sign number 9, your soul's voice I understand. So let us flip the first card, the Hierophant card from the Upper Arcana, 7 of Pentacles, and the third card we have is the Moon. So beautiful Sagittarians, I have a special card for you from the Universal Law of Attraction deck, which I'm going to read it to you in a while. So when I look at the December energies for the beautiful Sagittarians, what I sense is that you are someone who is trying to find joy from your past memories, and I strongly sense that these memories could be related with your love life or love affair, which was like incomplete. So I sense a lot of work stress for Sagittarians, because you expect so much from yourself. The bar for yourself, you have raised it too high, and you are a complete like workaholic. I'm sorry, Sagittarians, the beautiful Sagittarian ascendants, you are a complete workaholic who is like working day and night all the time without any breaks, without any weekends, and you have set a goal for your life to create all that materialistic abundance, but you know that that materialistic abundance will not give you that inner happiness. And whenever you're stressed out in your life, more of the stress is coming from your professional targets and a little of stress from your personal relationships. So whenever you're sad, the only break you take in your life is to immerse yourself in the past memories, because most of us have the past memories which are unpleasant, but in your case, the beautiful Sagittarians, because you have the perfect direction of what you want to achieve in your life, there were some past relationship, past memories which you still like to get back again and again, and that is the only source of relief or bringing joy into your life. So the Hierophant is the first December energy for the beautiful Sagittarians, which is promising a celebration. Definitely it could be your celebration of your business achievements. It could be some kind of high official get together, or because December is a month of festivals, it could be Christmas and New Year's Eve celebration, right? So there is definitely get together of diplomats and family and friends, and there will be a lot of discussion regarding the future plans related to your business, if it's a business meeting, and if it's a personal party or a family get together, then it could be discussion of a marriage in a family, or achievements of children. It could be planning for a buying new property or something like that. So there will be definitely so much of discussion connected to the future in the month of December. It could be professional or personal. And the Seven of Pentacles is bringing in the energies. I told you there is a work stress, and you are a workaholic and you need to take a break, but you don't do it, and the only joy in your life is immersing yourself into some pleasant past events connected with your love relationship, right, beautiful soul? And it's a life, it's like a life enduring situation. So you have to you cannot disconnect, because you don't even try to disconnect, because you cannot do things which you don't try for. So you don't try to disconnect yourself from the past memories, and you neither try to connect to them in your present. So you are just clinging to your past, and because that is the source of joy, I believe, and that will again continue in the month of December, because December is a month of, it could be a month of your birthday, it could be a month of your anniversary, and it could be a month of something special event which had happened in your past. So that will give you more memories, more pleasant memories, so that you can cling to and get joy out of it. Okay, and the Moon card, which is again the card from the Major Arcana, brings in some kind of delays, in your business, some kind of delays in your plans, and it may be like you yourself are, the deception is not coming from someone third person. The deception is coming from yourself, because you are deceiving your own emotions, you are cheating your own emotions, because you're not letting people know your past, you're not letting the person about whom you're thinking, letting know them that you still remember them, or you're still, all the memories are as fresh and as pleasant, and you're just, deceiving yourself. The deception is coming from your side. Nobody else is cheating you, but you yourself is cheating you, because you are getting indulged in the past memories again and again whenever you feel stressed out. So I don't think that is nothing. I don't think that's something harmful or something not worth. If that brings you joy, then I think you can continue with it. That is my personal opinion. So card number 26 brings in the law of universal attraction energies for you. I cannot create in the experience of another. Right. So you are flying, you are ready to dive into the emotion of the feelings, the memories of the past, and you know that you cannot create into another's experience. What all you're feeling, you're unable to express it to the second person, and you cannot create in the experience of another because you cannot think their thoughts. What you can do for them is set an example of joy. Become a being who thinks only of which you are wanting, who speaks only of which you are wanting, and who does only that which you are wanting, and therefore brings forth only joyous emotion. So it has become like a goal, it has become like an ambition in your life to stick to the past pleasant memories time and again, and your loved hobby or the most favorite activity to get out of your stressful life is to take a dive into your past love relationship, right? And that will continue in the month of December, and your life from outside is just like a perfect one, but you have created a different wall for yourself from within, and you are happy from within, but from outside I think you still need to bring about that balance, because getting yourself lost in the past and creating only stress in the present is not a life, not a happening life, or at least I don't want that kind of life. I don't want to lead that kind of life. So if you are immersed in, if you have created that wall for yourself from within with the past relationship, then you have to involve that person also. Maybe this is something like a twin flame connection, right, beautiful souls? So the only thing which I find alarming or a bit unconventional about this reading is that you are trying to cheat yourself. So that is really not good in any way. So do not try to deceive yourself. Be true to yourself. Be true to the relationships around you, because you're doing well. You're going, because you're a Sagittarian, you can never go the wrong way. You're going right way, but stop deceiving yourselves. So that is the December predictions for the beautiful Sagittarians. I hope it will resonate with the December energies, beautiful souls. So enjoy all your get-togethers, all your meetings, all your celebrations, all your marriages, and take out some time so that you can spend it with the people around you in your present, and stop deceiving yourself from the memories of your past, no matter how pleasant they are. So I we end today's speaker card reading for the beautiful Sagittarians for the month of December 2020. I wish you all, the beautiful Sagittarian ascendants, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Take good care of yourselves. Astu. Namaste.